All right, guys, it's date night, and a lot of people are actually more interested in doing things with their hair than I am. What are you gonna do with your hair? We have Anna and Kelly, and their hair, and they are the perfect persons to get your tresses intact. In fact, they're members of the NAHC, the National Association of Hairdressers and Cosmetologists, and so they're really professionals at this thing. So, first up, I'm gonna talk to Kelly about this one right here. So she shave off the sides and you color it. Where do you get an inspiration for a hairdo like this? Because this is bold, this is out of the box. I mean, not every female is gonna go, let's shave the side of my head.
Most times the hairstyle come from the clients.
Ah, so that's what you wanted?
What they want.
Okay, and the color and everything, you just knew you wanted to go completely blonde. Wow, fantastic. So how long does it take to get us to a hairstyle like this?
The color takes about 1 hour, and it took me about half an hour to rod it up.
And then when you rod it up, you have to let it dry.
Yeah, man, she do like about 20 minutes under the hair dryer.
And then you take it out, and what do you do after you
remove the rods and just style her up.
Style her up mean what?
Pick out the curls.
Oh, like separate them and
Separate
make
the
them
curls.
look nice and floofy. Okay, all right. And how well does this hold up on date night? Like if she go to a scary movie and she have to hug him up and then she hide her face, it's not gonna fluff out and the hair.
It look better when it
look better when it. Okay, so that's a perfect scary movie hairdo then.
Perfect.
And of course, beside you we have Anna, and this look has been really making the rounds of late. A blunt bob with a bang. Everybody, I am not gonna say that, Dwayne. That's your business if you want to say that. But I think everybody, this is the go-to hairdo for everybody these days. Why? Because it's so low maintenance. Anna, tell us about that one.
Well, for the bang, what I like about a bang, it suits anybody's face.
A bang? The bang suits everybody?
Yes, it does. If you have a bad makeup day, you can, you know, sometimes we are in a rush and we are up into the whole eyebrow thing now. The bang cover your eyebrow.
Can't fix good about it.
And the fact that you're talking about the movie scene, if she go to the movie and it's a scary movie and she say, the bang will just drop right back in the place. So, and you know, the bang is nice and bang is trendy.
Yeah.
It's classy. And you can go with any little thing. You can dress it up, dress it down.
And of course, they have the bobs without the bang part. So you can just do the bob without the bang, but the bang and the bob together is a nice look.
It's a classic look.
Right. And then, of course, we have our models that you've already done, both of you. So Dwayne is not a part of the list. Please let us just... he found a fellow Wilmerian who is telling him that John Wilmer is not walking up and down.
Yeah, she come on and say John Wilmer, him no walk across the face. And I try to tell her, say, you know, probably was that woman long enough to say John Wilmer.
All right, well, since you're talking to her first, let's start with her and her hairdo. The sleek ponytail, who is responsible for that, Anna or Kelly? Anna. And tell us about that one, Anna.
What I like about the sleek ponytail now, as a classic woman, you want something simple but sleek, classy and trendy. You can go for a sleek ponytail. As you look, we apply extension to it, but it doesn't even look like there's an extension in our hair. So when you go for a sleek ponytail, you want it to look simple.
Watch him.
And look like it's yearns. Nobody can tell that you have an extension, right?
My question is, how that way hold up on a date night? Suppose him get frightened, like extra, can you know extra frightened
and
easy?
And
extra hold on it.
No, it can't draw out.
It
can't draw out because I glue it down tight and spritz it so it can't draw out. So if him go stand a dry, so it can't come out.
Fantastic. Don't bother test it.
It's firm, don't it?
Test it right now. When you break our neck.
But save the style, don't mash it up.
All right, and of course we have the top knot. Who's responsible for that one? That's Kelly's masterpiece. Tell us about the top knot, Kelly.
The top knot is just a simple
rush. Updo.
Yeah.
Really? That don't look rush to me.
It's the simplest.
Jesus have mercy. I hope you're not afraid of spider. Look, I just perch.
The spider good to you, know?
It's perch. So what do? You just get a piece of extension and then what?
That's
just
like
twist it up.
one pack of arm braids and just twist it.
Oh, wow, that looks so much more complicated to me. That doesn't look like a rushed hairdo at all. And then last but certainly not least, we have my friend, the wig. The wet look, I love it. This is how we get away with short notice things for me. And tell us about that one.
This one is perfect. This is the easiest.
No, put it down. Put it down. This is the easiest one,
Yeah, the
right?
easiest one.
I agree. With that one, you just put on your wig and wet it up, that's all.
Wet it up and you're good to go.
I know. How long would you wear a wig like that? You take it off every day? Yeah, it's removable. You just take it off, right? See? Good girls know wigs.
See, I look really.
Well, there's no centipede that big, so none of us are going to be looking at that and thinking it's scary.
It look real, you know?
That look real?
Yeah,
If
turn
you
it
say a
over.
centipede, me and a little friend. So, guys, talk to us about the NAHC that's coming up, Anna.
Well, for December,
The annual,
November.
it's the annual.
November
annual-
24th.
November 24th, we will be having the annual expo where other hairstylists come and showcase their different talent. People can come and get their station booth rented and showcase hair products or clothes, anything that you want to showcase for the show.
So this is where you guys do those outlandish hairstyles with the things flying on top of it and make hot out of hair
Yes,
and all of
you
them,
come
right?
out with your creativity.
Nice.
You have the potential. If you have the potential to be creative, this is the place to be.
Fantastic, fantastic. And you guys have done this before, right?
Yes.
Okay. So before we go, the last thing I'll ask you to tell me, a tip for every girl. Every girl needs to know what if they're in a bind and they need them hair for look tip-top shape, quick. What's your one tip? What's your one go-to?
Oh God.
I say always have a wig.
Yeah, girl. You and me can par. What you say, Anna? What is your go-to?
Boy, but don't even know because me always confused when it come about ear.
So you just put it together.
I just always make sure say my ear do.
Okay, well, it's either always make sure that your hair is done or have a backup wig. That's what I say. Excellent, leave her hair alone. Put it down. Put it down. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, beautiful ladies, for coming and showcasing your fantastic hairstyles. I hope them to do it for free. So never have to pay for it and hope so it can last on a week or so. Members of the National Association of Hairdressers and Cosmetologists, Anna and Kelly. All right, guys, we're going to go for a short break and then we'll be right back.